morning, students. Today we are going to see in class 8 general knowledge chapter number 35, 36, 38 and 40. We will see some explanation of the chapter and question answer of the chapter. Okay, so you will be ready. Keep attention and listen me carefully. Now, first we are going to discuss about chapter number 35. Chapter number 35, Memories of Famous Personalities. Students, in this chapter we will see famous person of India and of out of India, and we will see their autobiography. We know that an autobiography is a book, is a story about a person who write about on his life himself. So here 12 autobiographies are given, and against its 12 famous persons name are given. You have to find correct autobiography with its correct person. Okay, so now we will start. First autobiography. First autobiography's name is Mein Kampf. Now you know who is the writer of Mein Kampf. So the writer of Mein Kampf is Adolf Hitler. Here in second column you can see at number H Adolf Hitler. So Mein Kampf, it is an autobiography written by Adolf Hitler. Number 2, Wings of Fire. Wings of Fire, it is famous autobiography written by Indian's famous person who is known as the Missile Man of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Number 3, The Race of My Life. The Race, autobiography's name, The Race, the title of autobiography, The Race. And having seen the title, we know that the writer of this autobiography may be racer, may be runner, and its author, its writer, The Race of My Life, is Indian runner Milkha Singh. You can see in column 2 K. Milkha Singh is the writer of The Race of My Life. Number 4, The Essay Against Odds. Essay Against Odds is written by famous tennis player Sania Mirza. Number 5, The Story of My Life. Story of My Life, it is also one famous autobiography. You have to read it. It is written by Helen Keller. Helen Keller is an blind girl, and how he learned to read that the whole story is given in this autobiography. And in this autobiography, she gives the value of teacher. So you have to read once. Number 6, long walk to freedom. Students, in India, we know very well as Mahatma Gandhi. In South African people knows the writer of this autobiography, Long Walk to Freedom. Do you know the writer of this autobiography, Long Walk to Freedom, is Nelson Mandela. Number 7, My Country, My Life. It is an autobiography written by L.K. Advani. Number 8, The Revenue Stamp, an autobiography. The Revenue Stamp, an autobiography, is written by Amrita Pritam. Here in second column you can see E. Amrita Pritam. Number 9, Seven Ages of Man. Seven Ages of Man. It is an famous autobiography written by Mulkraj Anand. Number 10, From My Life, Poetry and Truth. It is an autobiography written by John Wolfgang von Goethe. Here at number F you can see the writer of From My Life, Poetry and Truth. And number 11, A World of My Own, A Dream Diary. It is a famous autobiography written by Graham Greene. G, you can see Graham Greene. And last autobiography, the autobiography of an unknown Indian. Unknown Indian. Title says us that the writer of the autobiography is unknown, but it is not. The autobiography of unknown Indian, it is written by Niraj Singh Chaudhary. So you have to remember this famous autobiography and their writers. Now, the second chapter, number 36, we will see about world literature. Students, in this chapter only some questions are given to you. You have to find its correct answer. So first questions before you. Which book won the 2015 Man Booker Prize? You know that a Man Booker Prize, it is the famous prize to given to famous book. So which book won the 2015 Man Booker Prize? Option, A Brief History of Seven Killings. B, Wolf Hall. C, The White Tiger and the Sea. So right answer, the book A Brief History of Seven Killings won the 2015 Man Booker Prize. Number 2, when was the first Man Booker Prize given? Which was the year the Man Booker Prize was given? Option 1972, 1979, 1969 and 1974. So in the year 1969, the first Man Booker Prize was given. Number 3, name the youngest author. Name the youngest author who won the Nobel Prize for Literature. Who is the youngest author who won the Nobel Prize for Literature? So correct answer is Rudyard Kipling, who won the Nobel Prize for Literature, and he was the youngest author in the world. Number 4. In which novel did the character of Sherlock Holmes appeared for the first time? In which novel did the character of Sherlock Holmes appear for the first time? Option: The Hound of the Baskerville, The Sign of the Four, The Valley of Fear, and A Study in Scarlet. So, in the novel A Study in Scarlet, the character of Sherlock Holmes appeared for the first time. Number 5. Who created the character of Anna Karenina? Who created the character of Anna Karenina? So, the correct answer of this question is Leo Tolstoy. Number 6. Which of the following was also a physician by profession? Which of the following was also physician by profession? He is the writer, but as a profession, he was physician. So, Anton Chekhov, he was a physician by profession. Number 7. Who wrote the fantasy novel series The Land of the Rings? Who wrote the fantasy novel series The Land of the Rings? So, right answer J.R.R. Tolkien, wrote the fantasy novel series The Lord of the Rings. Number 8. Which revolution was the source of the plot of the novel A Tale of Two Cities? A Tale of Two Cities, it is a very wonderful book you have to read, and the plot of this novel is the revolution of French Revolution. French Revolution was the source of the plot of the novel A Tale of Two Cities. So, in chapter 36, we have discussed about famous books, world literature. You have to remember this. And now, in chapter number 38, again we will see famous Indian novelist. Students, first you have to know that what is a novel. Novel is a long story about anything. So here in this chapter 38, we will see famous novels and the writers, but here we will see only Indian novel. There are 10 Indian novels are given, and against it the writer and their pictures are also given, but we will see only the writer and novel. Okay, then we will start. Number 1. First, in column A, writer's name is given, novelist's name are given, and in column B, their famous novels are given. So first, Amrish Tripathi. Amrish Tripathi's famous novel is The Scion of Issaquah. You can see in G, column second, G, The Science of Issaquah. That is the famous novel written by Amrish Tripathi. Number 2, Amitav Ghosh. Amitav Ghosh, her famous novel is Sea of Puppies. At last number, you can see Sea of Puppies. It is written by Amitav Ghosh. Number 3, famous writer Shashi Tharoor, and its famous novel is The Great Indian Novel. The Great Indian Novel. Title of the novel is The Great Indian Novel. So, you can understand what is the novel. how great is this novel is. After for it, number 4, Jhumpa Lahiri. Jhumpa Lahiri's novel is The Lowland. At number 5, you can see Jhumpa Lahiri's novel The Lowland. Number 5, Vikram Seth. Vikram Seth, the novel A Suitable Boy, written about a boy, suitable boy. It is written by Vikram Seth. Anita Desai, number 6. Anita Desai is a famous woman novelist of India, and her famous novel is here given, Fire on the Mountain. Fire on the Mountain. H, you can see it is written by Anita Desai. She is very famous Indian novelist. Number 7, Salman Rushdie. Number 7, Salman Rushdie. His famous novel is The Satanic Verse. Satanic Verse. It is a novel written by Salman Rushdie. At number 8, Kiran Desai. She is also famous novelist of India, and here The Inheritance of Laws is one of his famous novels is given. After number 8, we will see at number 9, R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan, he is a famous Indian novelist, and I advise you to read any one of his novel. And here the names of given is one wonderful novel is Malgudi Days. Malgudi is a famous imagination place created by R.K. Narayan. In this novel Malgudi Days, R.K. Narayan shows his imagination. Malgudi is a place, imaginative place, and in this novel R.K. Narayan wants to show how the place is Malgudi. It is very wonderful novel. And at last, number 10, Chetan Bhagat. Chetan Bhagat, very famous novel. You must to read once in your life. The 3 mistakes of my life. Here Chetan Bhagat shows his 3 mistakes in his life, but you must to read this book, these novels once in your life. So these are some famous novelists and novels of India. Now at number 40, chapter number 40, we will see some new generation words. It is a very fine chapter for you. You will learn something new in this chapter. Some new words have come into use these days, and you will learn this new generation words by attempting this exercise. In column A, word is given, and in column B, their meanings are given. Very wonderful chapter it is. Okay, so first word here You can see first word geek. You can read all the options first. Dialing someone's numbers and forgetting why one called up one's best friend. Garbage containing plastic, bags, papers, disposable cups, and food containers. The one who usually eats vegetarian food but eats non vegetarian food occasionally. Believe that inanimate things and natural phenomena have attribution of living soul. A person obsessed with new technological devices, the one who eats discarded food, a person having understanding of latest technology, and the fear of being out of reach through mobile phone, and a photograph that one takes oneself on smartphone. Now we will see one by one. First, word geek. What is the meaning of geek? So, the geek's meaning is a person obsessed with new technological devices. Geek means a person obsessed with new technological devices. Number two, nomophobia. What is nomophobia? What is nomophobia? So nomophobia, it means the fear of being out of reach through mobile phone. The fear of being out of reach through mobile phone. That is nomophobia. You have to remember all these words. After it, number three, animism. Animism means belief that inanimate things and natural phenomena have attribution of a living soul. Number four, you all know very well these words, and you use every day this selfie. What is selfie? We take every day many selfies in our smartphone. What is selfie? So, the meaning of selfie means a photograph that one take oneself on a smartphone. A photograph of ourselves. When we take a photograph of ourselves in our smartphone, it is selfie. After it, phonesia. What is phonesia? Phonesia means dialing someone's numbers and forgetting why one called up. That is phonesia. Dialing someone's number and forgetting why one called up. It is phonesia. And we felt this phonesia. Number 6, white pollution. It is related to pollution words. White pollution. What is white pollution? Garbage containing plastic, bags, papers, disposables, cups, and food contains. It is white pollution. Number 7, bestie. You use these words also in your life, in your routine communication. Bestie. Bestie means one best friends. Our best friends, we call it bestie. Students, sometimes you use some words in your routine communication, in your status, but sometimes you cannot understand the real meaning of these words. So this is sometimes of such type of words. After it, at number 8, flexitarian. Flexitarian. Flexitarian means the one who usually eats vegetarian food. The person who usually eats vegetarian food but eats non-vegetarian food occasionally. But sometimes he eats non-vegetables food occasionally. He's called a flexitarian. Flex, flexible. Flexitarian words is also derived from flexible. Number 9, freegan. Number G, its correct answer, the one who eats discarded food. And last words, teach savvy. Teach savvy, it means a person having understanding of latest technology. A person who understand of latest technology is known as teach savvy. So students, these are some famous new technological words, new generation words and its meanings. Now you also find some this type of new generation words and their real meanings. Okay, so I hope that you have understood this all chapter very well and you will remember their correct answer also. Thanks.